I don't feel a single thing. Have the pills done too much? Haven't caught up with my friends in weeks. Now we're out of touch. I've been driving in LA, and the world it feels too big. Like a floating ball that's bound to break. Snap my psyche like a twig. And I just wanna see if you feel the same as me. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy but you don't wanna die. Like you're hanging by a thread but you gotta survive, 'cause you gotta survive. Like your body's in the room but you're not really there. Like you got empathy inside but you don't really care. Like you're fresh out of love but it's been in the air. I'm a past repair. A little bit tired of trying to care when I don't. A little bit tired of quick repairs to cope. A little bit tired of sinking, there's water in my boat. I'm barely breathing, trying to stay afloat, so I got these quick repairs to cope. I guess I'm just broken and broke.